we go. Section 8-2, page 500, 1 through 10, 12 through 29, 31 through 33. Okay. All right, today we're going to learn how to multiply a monomial times a polynomial. All right, because you did excellent on your test, this is going to be super easy. All right, very simple. You're just distributing. That's all you're doing. You remember when you're multiplying variables, what do you do to their exponents? Add them. Numbers, you multiply. Variables, you add. So, here we go. Thank you, Karina, for volunteering. You're number 2. Go.
6 times 18.
Good.
To the fifth.
Good.
Plus 24g to the fourth.
Yep.
Plus 60g to the second.
To the what?
To the second. Third. Oh, the third.
Third.
And then minus 6.
6 what?
To the third. Wait, why do I do g?
Because I'm multiplying g squared times negative 1. It's all right. It's okay. All right, that's number 2. All right. Now, again, I like what we're doing. We're just going to go right around the room. We're going to fly around. Start back up here. Go.
Alright,
Number 4. Go.
it would be negative 6p6 plus 18p10 r6 plus 15p5 4. And just R3.
Easy. Easy. Anybody have any questions? Multiplying numbers, adding exponents.
The odds homework or odds for homework?
Well, we're doing this whole page.
Oh.
All right, so right now I'm doing the evens, so we're probably going to do
The odds tomorrow.
odds for homework. Very
For
good.
homework.
Nice try. All right, number 6. Good.
Minus 3c to the fifth, d to the fifth, and then minus 4c squared d to the fifth.
D to the what?
Sorry.
Yes. What?
What did you say?
500.
Thank you very much.
All right, here we go. Hannah, number 8. Go.
So 4x.
What? Shh.
Oh wait, sorry,
3x to the what?
to the third
Yes.
plus 4x.
Good.
Plus 14x.
Okay, so now what? That's correct. Very good. Easy as that. All right, Mr. Wilson, you're up. Number 10.
So it would Could you zoom in a little bit?
Is that good? More like this?
Yeah, that's good.
All right.
So it's negative 40W to the fourth x, just x,
Mm-hmm.
minus or plus 55W to the second,
To the what?
third
Good.
x to the second.
Good.
Then you go plus 54 W to the or just W x to the fifth.
Good.
Minus 24 W x minus 18 x to or x to the third.
Yep, that's exactly correct. All right, now we have to go through. Is there anything that I can combine there? Is there anything that I can combine?
The negative 40. No, never mind.
Right, because in order to combine terms, I have to find another w to the fourth x. Or I have to find a w cubed x squared. Or I would have to find a wx to the fifth. Everybody get that right? So there's nothing I can combine. All right, that was easy. All right, here we go. Let's look at number 12 now. All right, this is going back a long time ago. All right, so Mr. Varner, tell me what to do.
So negative 66 plus 12c equals negative 14 minus 14c.
All right, so now what?
So plus 14.
So that would give me how many?
You get negative 52 on the left. And then plus 14c, you get negative 2c.
Now hold up. So you're almost right. So you're moving this over here, right? So how many would that give?
Plus 14.
Yep. So 14 plus 12.
Okay. I was moving just the negative 14.
Yep, I see that. But you see why I'm moving?
Yeah, so plus 12, I said 26c to the second.
Yeah. Not just 26c, right? Because you're adding, right? So because we're adding, the variable, the exponent does not change. All right. Now you're adding what?
The negative 14. Well, not adding, just adding 14.
Now be careful because I put the 14 to the left, the 66 has to go to the right, correct?
Negative 52.
Positive 52.
Oh, yeah.
No, but again, listen, guys, here's where I'm trying to make sure everybody knows. I don't want you to just put 52 just because I said it's 52. You see why it's positive 52?
Yeah, because the negative 66 goes to positive.
That's right. Okay. So now C is equal to what?
C is equal to 2.
Yes. All right, nothing too 12. All right, let's do 14. Zayden, you're up.
Alright, negative 2w minus 2 plus w equals 7 minus 2.
Perfect. Now what?
You plus minus that, which equals yeah. So plus w.
Plus W
Yeah, plus
or minus W?
minus
Because
that.
you're just doing negative 2 plus 1.
Okay.
All right. So now what?
Plus 4w.
Right. So that's going to give me
That's going to give you 2w.
right.
Equals 9w.
And so
9.
I know what you meant.
W equals 6.
Yes. W equals 3. That's old. All right, Sam, you're up. 16. A little bit harder now.
A plus 3a.
Whoa. A what?
A to the second.
Thank you.
Plus 3A.
Good.
Plus A to the second. Minus 6A. Plus 35 equals A to the second. Minus 5A. Plus A to the second. Plus 7.
Very easy. What happens to the a squares?
You add all these together, which equals A to the 8.
What? What is 1a squared?
Oh, A to the 4.
What?
A to the
1a
2A squared.
2a squared. It's been a long weekend. Then what?
Minus 3A plus 35 equals A to, nope, 2A to the second minus 2A.
You meant plus 2a. Right?
Right, and then you can
What
do-
happens to the 2a squareds?
they cancel.
They do cancel. Is everybody comfortable with that?
Then it would be minus the 2A. So it'd be,
I prefer that you add the 3a's.
okay, so it'd be 35 equals 5A.
Good.
And A equals 7.
There you go. All right. So the deal on this is that the square terms are going to cancel out. What?
What numbers
What?
for for all the questions? What
Oh, come on, guys. That's why I said at the beginning. Here we go. 1 through 10, 12 through 29, 31 through 33. Or you just keep up with me. All right, that's the assignment. And then, brilliant. Some of you have been here for 6 months, 7 months now. You got it all figured out. I'll push you. All right, here we go. Now, number 18. Brady.
Okay. So b to the third minus 12b squared. Squared.
Okay.
And then plus 1b. Well, it'll just be
Brilliant. All right. Mia, go ahead.
Okay, so the negative 6 and to the 6 minus 36, no, plus 36 and to the 5th plus, well, actually minus 6 and to the 4th and plus 75
What type of 75?
negative.
And then
And then you have to,
m,
oh yeah,
m to the what?
fourth.
Third or fourth? Third, right? Yeah. Now remember, now's the time. Don't sit there if you don't know. That's what I was trying to tell some of your parents with my recent conferences. If you don't know something, speak up. That's the only thing I can do. All right? If you don't know, speak up. All right? Yes.
Can we add the negatives? Never mind.
I know Brady's always making jokes.
Alright.
Yes.
Why did you put the M after when you multiply it by 25? Why wouldn't you put plus M cubed after?
I'm multiplying, not adding. You're multiplying. Just like this,
Oh, okay.
right?
Oh, I see it. Yeah.
You with me now, right? Technically, I used to tell kids who struggled with that a little bit, not that you are, just remember that's just like m to the 0. All right. Watson, go.
4p to the second r, and then r to the third, plus 10p to the third, r to the third, minus 30p to the second, r to the second.
Does everybody agree with me? That's easy. Easy. What?
Can you only add the terms if there's an equal sign?
No. No. You combine terms when you can. There's nothing to combine there, is there?
Oh, right, yeah.
You see what I'm saying, right?
Yeah.
It's like adding x and x, or x and x squared. You can't add x and x squared. They have to be exactly the same order. All right, what?
Can you simplify calling the p to the third negative first?
Yeah, so now this is something that is kind of interesting. I'm never going to like mark you off for this unless I specifically say, but she is technically right. So we always want to put them in alphabetical order and then in descending order. So the first thing we do is we'd say p to the third is the largest exponent. So we would put this technically in front. This technically goes in front. All right. Then the p squared r cubed would come second. And then this would go third. Because once you put them in order, put them in alphabetical order in standard or in descending order also. All right. But again, do I really care? I don't really care. All right. Anybody have any issues? What? All right, so here we go. We're going right in order. Where are we at? Go. 24.
24. Negative 15 x squared plus negative 6x minus 27 plus 2x squared minus 3x.
Okay, combine terms, please.
When you combine negative 15x squared and 2x squared, so it's negative 13x squared.
Good.
And then the negative 3 and the negative 6. So minus 9x minus 27.
Yeah, easy, easy. I'm happy with that. All right. Everybody good? Ruffin, go.
So negative 20 to the third minus plus 48. And then plus 7.
48 what?
48. 48 plus 7 plus 35.
So now what?
Negative 23 to the third. And then 56 plus 56 plus 35.
Okay, but 48 and 7 today is 55. All right, we're good. All right, here we go. Let's do the next even. 32. Did I skip one? Where's 28? There is no 28. It was a word problem. 32. Go.
Plus 6w plus 2w equals 4w squared plus 14w.
Okay. What happens now? Good job. Now remember, I always try to tell kids keep the variables positive, right? So I'm going to move 6 to the right, correct? So how many would that leave me? 8, right? Because we're going to do minus 6w. Then what? Oh, wait a minute. I see what you're saying. We could have just combined terms first. Sorry. I jumped ahead of this. I wasn't paying attention. Look right here. Because I would really want you to just say 6w plus 2w is what? Yeah. Combine terms first. So 8w is equal to 14w minus 6. Now, if you wanted to, it might be just as easy to move the 14 over the other side. Just be one step then, correct? So what's 8 minus 14? So we have negative 6w equals negative 6. Do you agree with that, Morty? And so w equals what? W equals 1. All right, double check that. All right, make sure you're understanding me. Everybody agree? Just combining terms. Then isolate the variable. All right, and then is that it? Yeah, hold on. You guys said something about 28. Where? Yeah. I didn't add 20. Yeah, okay. So I missed 28. All right. So that's all really. So just go ahead and knock those out. Unless you just want to tell me, someone want to tell me 28. Let's just go ahead and do that. Does anybody have the book open to 28? Go ahead, read it to me. Shh. Here's 28, guys.
2j parentheses 7j squared k squared plus jk squared plus 5k in parentheses minus 9k parentheses negative 2j squared k squared plus 2k squared plus 3j.
Like that, right? All right, so let me fix this now. All right, there we go. All right, go ahead.
So it's 14 j k squared plus 2j squared k squared plus 10jk minus or plus 18k j squared k cubed minus 18k cubed plus or minus 27j.
Okay. Now, we got to find out if there's anything with j cubed k squared. Is there another one of those? I don't see one. Do you? Are any of them the same? Yeah, there's a jk, right? So let's go ahead and write 14j cubed k squared. So then j squareds. So this one technically should be second, right? Because k cubed is bigger than k squared. So that'd be plus 18j squared k cubed plus 2j squared k squared. All right. And then the jk and the jk comes out to be what? Minus what? Oh, wait a minute. Well, we got to do the j before the k cubed. So that would be minus, does everybody agree, 17jk? And then minus 18k cubed. All right, just to make sure you're with me. This and this went together. And then so we agree, if you know the rules, that's what? Simple, simple, right? More today, practicing the rules. All right, is everybody good with that? All right, guys. Now, honestly, I have all of the solutions done. All right. I also posted the solutions. So take the time. Take your time. Go through. Make sure you know how to do everything. All right. Get the homework done. Try to finish it in class. It's easy, easy, easy.